perfect way to do semi-hack. This is the perfect way to do semi-hack, as you can see. As you can see, this is perfect way to do semi-hack. This is semi-hack for the angle. As you can see. You can see the shape is coming out. That is semi-hack. That's the perfect way to do it. By use electrical pipe. You curve it, then you lay it on the ground. After that, you mix your cement. Then you use a plate to draw it. As you can see, that is semi-hack. Then you leave it for some time for it to dry. We'll update you when we are done on the finishing. Thank you.